I'm going to do this one. These are the ones I showed you earlier, and I don't have a lot of these, and I'm using them in 2 sets. But the second set I'm also using something else. So I'm going to do this one first because I'm just using these to make sure I don't have to pull from the other board. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish the 3 I got left with the string I got without going upstairs and grabbing some. Kind of make sure this is on there. There we go. I love beads. I love what they represent. I love heating beads. I love healing beads. I love fun beads. I love beads that make a statement. I use a lot of focal beads. I will also make besides bracelets, I will also make I have done necklaces in the past. I don't like to do necklaces because I like to make quick money. So bracelets is very easy. The necklaces take too much of my time. I will make them if somebody requests them. But I also do real quick keychains as well. Do a lot of kitty bracelets as well. If you have stayed with me for this long, go ahead and like and share and subscribe if you not have done so already. Turn on that notification bell so that when I am dropping some videos, you are getting notified. I got 3 more, this one included, to go on here. Video is probably going to be more than an hour, but I probably will chop it up and put make a few smaller videos out of it. But again, if you have stayed with me this long and you got any inquiries, go ahead and send me an email at simplydonniebeadworks@gmail.com. Ask me anything you need. If you want to see some different things on my channel, let me know. I'm always down to post tutorials, help you out if you want to get started in making bracelets. And some things I'm not going to give away, like what type of string I use and stuff like that. Some of that stuff is partial to just my brand, because I don't use elastic. I think elastic is a cheaper way. The bracelets the string gets very fuzzy, and sometimes depending on what type of body or lotions and just everyday wear, it will tear your bracelet. What I use is a pretty sturdier string, and it has been working for me for years. I have been doing this since I started off making bangles in 2019, and I eventually just started with beaded bracelets instead. I like those better, and when I made a couple, I was getting more results with that. And that was just more of my cup of tea. So that's what I stuck with. Trying to get done with these before I lose all of my natural light. Probably gonna start doing some clean up a little bit, do some laundry, figure out what we're gonna do for tomorrow for food. Y'all see that? That is cute. This is an everyday bracelet that you can wear, spice up your outfit. I want to see where we at before I put these last 3 on, because I kind of think I don't need the last 3, but I don't know. I be off sometimes. Yeah, I'm going to need them. I can look at it and tell. But let's see. Yep, I'm going to need the last 3. Might need more than that, to be honest with you. I don't really want to pull from the other bracelet I'm making, but this little spot right here was a 6-inch. And actually, this is more than 6-inch, because remember I used the ones that was inside of there. There we go. Yep, it's going to work out. I'm going to wash some clothes. Clean off my counters. Get my life together over here. My husband's resting. He worked a lot this week, so there we go.